Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today's recipe is a simple and delicious orange biscuits. They are a quick snack that you can munch on either during the day or night. Just give a try and I'm pretty sure that you'll never go back for store-bought biscuits. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, take 100 grams of unsalted butter in a mixing bowl. Make sure that the butter is at room temperature. Now, using a whisk or spatula, let's gently cream the butter. You need not overdo it, we are just doing it to make sure that the butter is soft enough. To the creamed butter, let's add half cup of powdered sugar. Let us cream the butter and sugar until they are well combined, light and fluffy. Okay, so you can see that our butter sugar mixture is light and creamy in texture. So let's add the zest of one orange. If you do not have fresh oranges at home, you can always replace it with artificial orange flavoring. But if you can, do get your hands on fresh oranges because artificial flavor or even essences can never replace the fresh flavor that you get from the orange zest. You guys have no idea how amazingly fresh this room smells right now. Okay, now let's quickly give this a mix. And add 1 egg to this mixture. Just give this a quick mix, and since I have used unsalted butter, I'm going to add a pinch of salt to this mixture. Give this mixture a good mix until the mixture turns light and fluffy. Alright, so our wet ingredients are ready now. So let's add 250 grams or 2 cups of flour to the mixture. Let us mix everything together to form a stiff dough. Okay, so let's switch to hands to knead the dough. Okay, so we have formed a dough now, but if you feel that the dough is a bit too soft and it will be difficult for you to roll out the dough, then you can add a little extra flour to the dough. But make sure that you do not add too much. Just add little by little and knead the dough until you form a stiff dough. And our dough is ready. Let's keep this aside. Now let's flour the rolling board and the rolling pin as well. This will help to stop the dough from sticking to the board. Let's take our dough and just gently roll the dough in the flour and divide the dough into two. Roll the dough and then let's roll out the dough using the rolling pin. If you want, you can always add extra flour so that it will stop from sticking. Let's roll out the dough to a thickness of a little less than a centimeter. While rolling out, if you find there are some cracks on the dough, you can always shape the dough again and then roll out. Okay, so I'm using a flower shaped cookie cutter to cut out the biscuits. Okay, now gently remove the excess dough and then let's take out the biscuit cutouts. You can see what a well floured board can do. It is super easy to take out the cutouts. So I have arranged the biscuit cutouts in a well greased baking tray. So let's bake these biscuits at 180 degrees for around 14 to 15 minutes or until they are golden brown in color. Alright, so biscuits are done. They are out from the oven. You can see that they are nice and golden brown in color. So I have kept them on the cooling rack. So let the biscuit cool for like half an hour to 1 hour. In the meantime, let's prepare a glaze for the biscuit. So I have taken half cup of icing sugar. To that I am going to add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice. Mix well to form a smooth glaze. Okay, so the glaze is nice and smooth now, so the glaze is ready. Okay, so our glaze is done. So I'm going to take another bowl and I'm going to divide the glaze into 2 equal parts. And that should do. So I'm going to leave one part as it is and I'm going to take the other part, and to this I'm going to add orange food color. Since I do not have orange food color, I'm going to mix yellow and red together to get orange color. And that will be 3 drops of yellow food color and 1 drop of red food color. Mix well and you'll get a lovely orange color. Okay, so let's pour the glaze on top of the biscuits. You can pour them in any pattern or you can pour them as it is. It's your wish. So I'm going to pour them in streaks. Okay, so now let's pour over the orange glaze. So I'm going to pour again in streaks, but in the opposite direction. Okay, so we have glazed all our biscuits. So let's keep them aside and let the glaze dry. It will take around 1 to 2 hours to dry. And there we go, our orange biscuits. They are super easy to make, they are delicious and they make a great snack. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with another scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.